What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Social Pilot. Social Pilot is an all-in-one social media management platform that streamlines your social media presence across multiple channels. With features like scheduling, analytics, audience engagement, and AI-powered content creation, Social Pilot helps businesses and individuals save time, boost productivity, and grow their online presence effortlessly. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Social Media Publishing. Social Pilot's social media publishing features provide a seamless way to plan, schedule, and publish content across multiple platforms. The scheduling and publishing tool allows you to manage your social media presence efficiently, while the content library helps streamline content management by storing and reusing images, text, ideas, and hashtag groups. The bulk scheduling feature enables you to strategize your content for weeks or months ahead, freeing up time for quality content creation and strategic planning. Additionally, the custom fields functionality ensures brand consistency and relevance by allowing you to create personalized labels for signatures, hashtags, disclaimers, and more, tailored to each managed account. Integrating Canva design tools further enhances the visual appeal of your content, making it more engaging for your audience. Social Media Analytics and Reporting. Social Pilot's robust analytics and reporting capabilities empower you to make data-driven decisions for your social media strategy. The automated reporting feature delivers comprehensive insights into your campaigns, including engagement, audience demographics, reach, and more, directly to your inbox, saving you time and ensuring timely decision-making. The detailed insights and custom analysis tools enable you to perform in-depth analysis, track performance over time, make historical comparisons, and assess goal achievement, providing a clear understanding of your social media performance. Additionally, the client reporting feature allows you to present reports to clients with your custom branding, reinforcing your brand identity and showcasing a professional experience. Social Media Engagement. Social Pilot's social media engagement features streamline the process of managing interactions across multiple platforms and accounts. The unified inbox provides a centralized view of all social interactions, allowing you to efficiently handle important messages, mentions, and views. The priority sorting functionality helps you prioritize and respond to the most critical interactions, ensuring timely and effective communication with your audience. To enhance the personalization of your interactions, Social Pilot enables the use of visual and like emojis, images, and GIFs, making the communication more engaging and memorable. Furthermore, the team collaboration feature allows you to involve team members in the review process, ensuring a consistent tone and messaging across all interactions. Social Media Collaboration. Social Pilot's collaboration features facilitates seamless teamwork and efficient content approval workflows. The draft-level content functionality enables your team to collaborate on content in the draft stage, saving time and reducing redundancy. The content approval process ensures quick approvals on posts, maintaining the quality of your social posts and fostering streamlined communication within your organization. White Label Solution. Social Pilot's white label solution empowers you to present a professional and personalized service to your clients. The custom branding feature allows you to apply your own branding to the reports, reinforcing your brand identity and showcasing a high-quality experience. This, in turn, enhances client satisfaction and boosts your revenue by offering a tailored and branded service. AI-powered content creation. Social Pilot's AI-powered content creation features leverage the power of artificial intelligence to streamline and enhance your content creation process. The AI assistant can generate engaging content, captions, and hashtags in just a few clicks, analyzing trends, user behavior, and audience preferences to create content that resonates with your audience. The content library further supports this process by providing a centralized hub for storing and reusing images, text, ideas, and hashtags groups, reducing the time and effort required for content creation. Browser extension. Social Pilot's browser extension, Share Schedule Post, allows you to seamlessly share and schedule posts directly from your browser, streamlining the process of publishing content across multiple social media platforms. This feature saves time and enhances the efficiency of your social media management workflow. When it comes to pricing, Social Pilot offers a range of pricing plans to cater to the needs of different businesses and teams. The professional plan starts at $30 per month and it includes 10 social media accounts and 1 user. The small team plan comes in at $50 per month with 20 social media accounts, 3 users, and a content library. Agency plan comes in at $100 per month and it includes 30 social media accounts, 6 users, unlimited clients, client approval, and content library. Agency Plus plan comes at $200 per month and it includes 50 social media accounts, unlimited users, unlimited clients, client approval, content library, and white label. Social Pilot is a comprehensive social media management platform that streamlines your entire social media workflow from scheduling and publishing to analytics and engagement. With its robust features, intuitive interface, and exceptional value, Social Pilot is the go-to solution for businesses and teams looking to elevate their social media presence and drive real results. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.